Wheelock, chapter 6, page 51, Sententiae Antiquae. You can see I'm doing pencil and paper here, old school, very nice. Number 1, Dionysius tum erat, tyrannus Syracusarum. Let's do a word stand. Dionysius, okay, that's a name. Then is king, Syracusans. All right, we get it here. So verb to be right here, big V, subjects here, Dionysius. Singular, singular, good, that's a match. All right, Dionysius was, that's imperfect tense, right? We're identifying these now. Imperfect, it's got the ERA and the T at the end. And now we have a predicate. Dionysius at that time was the tyrant. So erat, like an equal sign. What's the difference between subject and predicate? Got a great question from a student on this. What is the difference? Well, if you switch this around, the king was Dionysius at that time, there would be almost no difference. But there's something about Dionysius, maybe because it comes first, it's to the left. I don't know. It's the subject. And this, that baby, look at this, aurum, that's genitive plural. Always easy to identify. So, of the Syracusans, all right, that's people. Let's try number 2 here. All righty. Optasne meam vitam fortunamque gustare. Wish my life, fortune, taste. All right, first of all, I want to point out this, QUE. That's a connector. Weirdly, it connects us back to vitam. How about that? Life and fortune. Now, let's take a look at this. Ooh. That's big D-O here. Big D-O, direct object. That's accusative, singular, right? And this modifies. It's got a nice rhyming sound. Meam, vitam, fortunam. Optasne. Ooh, this any suffix? Question, right? That makes a question. Do you, is he, were they, something like that. And optas, second person singular, 2s, that's our big V verb right there, optas. Do you want? Present tense. And then, this is a verb of wishing, so it goes really well with an infinitive. And we're learning about the complementary infinitive here. Optas, do you wish? Not much to say there, but if you add a complementary infinitive, you've got a real sentence. Do you want to taste my life and my fortune? Oh, okay, well that's Cicero for you. He was always pretty full of himself. Let's try number 3. Possumus ne, oh, there it is again, ne. OD, ooh, see these are 2 commas here, so this is going to be vocative. This is an address, he's addressing the gods up there in the clouds, right? There they are, ha, Zeus. This lightning bolt. Are we able, O gods? Are we able? There it is. Possum. Used to be pot plus sum. Turns into possum. Oh yeah, it's I. Oh my gosh, it's 1S. Oh no, it's 1P. Possumus. Oh my gosh. So sorry. 1P. Possumus. All right, are we able, O gods, in male sensitiis? Now, like I've said before, prepositional phrase, in plus the ablative case. Here we have ablative plural, is, in bad treachery, in wicked treachery, something like that. Et magno exitio, also ablative singular. And in great destruction, esse salvi. To be, there's that infinitive again, complementary infinitive, to be safe. And this is nominative plural, salvi. It's an adjective, and it's going all the way back to the subject of the verb. Are we able to be safe? You can say the we in possumus is plural and masculine. All right, one more here. Let me slide this up. Okay, number 4. Propter vitia tua, multi te culpant, et nihil te in patria tua de lectare potest. A lot going on here. Let's do a scan. That'll probably help. Because of, I know that we've got a left-hand bracket here because this is a preposition. Because evils your many, get that, you, blame and nothing, you, in country, your delight is able. Okay, I got it. Let's get this prepositional phrase out of the way right away. So propter takes an accusative case. That's something you memorize with the vocab. So it's going to go with vitia tua. Ooh, look at those A's. What's that come from? Well, as you know, the nominative and accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in A. And there's that plural ending in A there. Nominative and accusative plural. In this case, it's going to be accusative. Because of your vices, your wickedness, multi. That could be nominative plural or genitive singular. We just have to figure out. Let's go on. Te, you. Culpant, they blame. Okay, this is our verb. And this is 3P, third plural. They blame. Ooh, this could be big S, subject, because it could be nominative, plural, because then we would have a plural subject agreeing with a plural verb. Many men, we know that because it's masculine, blame you. Nice. All right. And then we could almost put a comma here because then we have a connector, a conjunction, and nihil te in patria tua. Ooh, in patria tua, okay, in your country. That's great. We rule that out. Te, you, delectare. That's the infinitive ending. Let's see. We're just talking about complementary infinitives now, so we'll see how that works. Potest. Okay, potest. That's big V. That's our verb. It is 3S, third singular. So it's he or she or it is able. Okay. It is able, and then we'll stick on the infinitive. It is able to delight you in your country. Now we just have nothing left. Literally, we have nothing left. Let's do this. Let's try it as the subject. Nothing is able to delight you in your country. There you have it. Thanks for listening.